kami ni Pao. Ay, kasi wala kaming dalang tubig. So, lumabas muna kami para maghanap ng tubig. Dun sa loob.
Park in the garage.
Do you want to find the garage first? Let's see where's the garage, no?
Yeah.
So, hanapin muna namin yung garage. Kasi nakapark si Pao dito sa harap ng hotel. Pero hindi daw dito. Maybe lab, they're going down. Oh, where?
No, there. I see the garage.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So, kasi hindi pwedeng kapark lang dito basta. Yeah, I found it, love. There's the garage.
The key is probably going to.
There's a game here, eh?
And how to open it?
Maybe you scan the key. So, kaya magbukas.
So
I'll try.
Maybe there is something. You will not scan it. This is not for scanning. There's nothing to scan. Don't lean. See? Here.
Oh, there's a key here.
Interesting.
Sa color coding hotel.
Ibiki. Ours is red.
So, dito na tayo. Kita na ni Pao yung parking. Tapos, bili na tayo ng tubig. Dala ako ng jacket kasi mountain area to. So, unpredictable ang weather. Ngayon, 24 degree. Posible mamaya mas malamig. So, mas better na na-ready tayo para hindi na balik-balik. Tapos na kami sa parking sa garage. So, ngayon naman, punta naman kami sa store para bumili ng tubig. Tapos babalik uli kami para kunin naman yung para uminom ng kape. Kasi may pakape dun sa hotel. So, pina kami ng tubig. Actually, the water is safe but I prefer to drink water in the shop. So, yeah.
That's our shop.
Nice, tingnan niyo yung view namin, no? Andun. Yun yung bilang saan kami tutuloy. Kasi yun yung mountain sa likod. So nice. Mountain. So, nakabili na kami ni Pao ng mga pagkain. And ready na kami. Kain muna kami sa lugar na yun. Kain muna kami sa room. Prepared sa kami aalis. Sa kami uwi, mga late na kami uwi na naman. So, but safe naman here. Kasi where is it? There. So, and it's open, guys. Grabe. Kailangan mong hilahin yun para buksan to. Interesting, eh? So, ngayon, papunta kami ni Pao sa city. katatapos lang namin kumain. Doon na kami kumain sa hotel. At papunta na kami ngayon sa city. Time check, it's 7:42 p.m. na ng gabi. Maybe mga 2 hours kami doon. Right, love? 2 hours, 3 hours, no? That's it, no?
What?
We're gonna stay there.
Yep, we'll see. Depends on our mood, how tired we are.
Yeah, because tomorrow, kailangan naming maagang gumising. So,
We have to also figure out where we're going tomorrow. We have multiple choices.
many, no?
Yep.
So, we will see.
We can go to the mountain pass, or we can go hiking. We can go to the mountain pass with a car, or we can go hiking, or we can actually do both. Go to mountain pass with a car, and then in the middle there, go hike.
Oh, that's a nice plan.
Yeah.
So, andito na tayo, guys. Ito yung makita nyo. Yung city. Ito yung small city na yun. At naghahanap lang kami ng parking. Kita nyo, karamihan ng mga dumadaan ay
Turn left on
tourist.
Salzmannstraße.
Oh, parking. Okay, I think. Let's go there, right?
Mhm.
Whatever it costs.
So, nakakita na kami ng parking. Andito na tayo ngayon sa city center ng Zalamsi. Ito yung pangalan ng town. At what's happening here? Ang daming tao. Sobrang daming tao dito ngayon. At karamihan ng mga tao na nakikita ko ngayon at nakikita nyo man ngayon sa background ay halos puro sa Arab country.
So, what you'll see a train here?
So where we have to go, we have to wait until the train is coming. So may paparating na train kasi nakahinto, naka-red. So ito na yung magbubukas na siya. Paglakad na tayo rito, makatawid na tayo. So nagsasara siya katulad ng sa Japan, nagsasara kapag dadaan yung train. Grabe, ang daming ano. Ang daming
We're in Shuada country.
sobrang daming tiga-Arab country right now here. Mostly ay hindi ko maramdaman ano. Parang konti lang ngayon yung nandito na ano ng mga locals dito. Lokal.
Around this entire lake.
Here?
Yeah, if you
Let's
can
go.
go around the lake.
Maybe we should get the backpack.
But we will not make it in 3 hours. I think we should stand here a little bit.
Okay.
Not go too high too much.
Okay. Because I'm getting thirsty. I'm thirsty already. So ito yung view natin. Tingnan nyo. Napakaganda. Super pretty. Kita nyo. Tingnan nyo, oh, nilalagyan nila guys ng mga lakto. Katulad sa London
I
Bridge.
see Arab. A lot of was Arab writing.
This one. Hi. Look at his foot.
Wait, where is my food? Give me food.
Guys don't have nothing.
Give me food.
Naghihintay ang mga yan ng mga pagkain na ibibigay. Let's go, love. Gusto namin mag-ride doon. Pero sarado na siya. Natalo na na. Natali na niya yung mga boat. So, kasi gabi na madilim na eh. So, wala na. How much? 1 to 2
€20.
first. Ooh,
But per boat, right?
yes. Ito sana naming magpunta doon sa boat, mag-ride ng boat. Ang kaso, sarado na yung nagra-ride ng boat kasi madilim na rito. So, chinek namin kung magkano yung price. At yung price niya ay 32 € for 2 persons. So, hindi nga lang namin sure kung ilang oras, ilang minuto yung niya, titake niya. Pwede rin kung isang oras, okay na yung 32, pero still so expensive, guys. Kasi pagod na mga people, pagod na rin ako, tapos malamig yung hangin.
Oh no.
So, uwi na kami.
Fancy hotel.
Yeah, very fancy hotel on the back. Near the mountain. Okay.
Freezing.
Freezing and it's cold. So, wait lang natin. Hindi na tayo. Kasi saglit lang kami dito. Halos 1 hour lang. Let's go na.
Let's go.
Yun na kami, guys.